Might be guessing. I think this might be our 12th defrost cycle coming up. I don't know. As you can see, it's pretty frozen. And it's still freezing up because the ice is cracking. Oh yeah, it's thick at the top, but down here it's not bad. It's not as thick, but it's still frozen though. I will say that. But up here it's thick, so I have a feeling it's gonna get thicker than that. Also, I made this, by the way. And I got this. Yeah. Literally, at my point, this thing's about to go into defrost again. The other ones have not been running. This one has, but it's not frozen. So yeah, I'm gonna stick around for another defrost. It's not as vibrating as much like yesterday, because yesterday it was like even more iced up than this. This thing is so noisy, but I like it. Alright, I'll be back. Still waiting for this thing going to defrost. It's gotten so thick up here. I'll be right back. Just cycled off. That clock is so noisy, but I like it still. Low. Couldn't talk there. That router ice is already melting. Look, at the top's still frozen, but down here it's already melting. Alright, I'll be right back. Wait for this thing to start back up. just started up like 10 minutes ago, and now it appears to be somewhat more frozen. Ice has gotten wider down here. There was less ice on it earlier, but it looked like when you turn on again, it looks like even more ice started up here. And the bottom has... The clock just went up. The bottom has gotten a whole lot wider now, so it's getting thicker. Oh yeah, definitely getting thicker. Definitely losing airflow. Sorry about that. That's the only area where we're getting airflow, right there. Oh, let me see the back real quick. Oh yeah, definitely getting thicker. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, definitely getting even more iced up. Alright, this right here, right there was not frozen, so it's slowly starting to freeze up even more. Definitely losing fan speed. We are definitely losing some fan speed. Still in heat mode. Alright, I'll be right back. Just shut off again. And alright, ice is already starting to go away again, as you can see. Alright. So, I'll be right back. This will be round 3. The Power Plus unit is running once again, and the 2025 unit is also running, Choice Series. That didn't sound good. I don't know what the heck was that, but... Choice Series sounds a little sick. going to defrost, I'm out of here. This one is still pretty frozen. The top is very frozen. This one is... There's no ice on it, but looks like the lines in there are starting to freeze up a little bit. Slightly bit. Strange. HVAC symphony going on. I'll be back. Alright. Still waiting for this one to go defrost. I don't know if it will. It might, I don't know. We shall see. And this one just shut off. Wasn't even running for that long. Sorry about the pause there, but I had to do something and I heard it shut off. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I don't barely hear any fans. Let's check. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna turn the thermostat up for this thing, see if it's going to defrost. Alright, I turned the thermostat up to 76. So, if it still cycles off, which I hope it won't, but it might, I don't know. It's even a whole lot more iced up now. It's continuing to still freeze up. But yeah, that's what heat pumps do. Goes that clock. compressor is not as loud as it was yesterday. Yesterday was like very angry. Right now it's not as bad. It's still eating, so that's a good thing. Hopefully it doesn't shut off. And it met its temp. Knew it was gonna happen. Still frozen. So hopefully it might come back on. Hopefully the ice might stay like this. Hopefully it doesn't melt away as much, but it might melt away like a little bit. But not how thick it got. So I guess that'll be about it.